So I can't be the only one that's made this mistake when I first started using the weighted jump rope, and that's double jumping.
What does that mean?
Double jumping is when you do that thing and you stutter step before you land instead of just doing the natural up and down, it is up, dun, dun, down. This is a problem for 3 major reasons. Stay tuned because I'm not only going to tell you that, but I'm going to tell you how you can fix it with a simple drill. Before we dive into the next tip, I've got something that'll take your fitness journey to the next level. My book, Jump Into Fitness, is the ultimate guide to transforming your body and mastering the art of jumping rope. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skill, this book will teach you everything you need to know about jumping rope the right way and get real results. Ready to revolutionize your workout? Grab a copy below and start your transformation today. Don't forget that all of the equipment you see in today's video is available down below. Now, when I first started jumping rope, I started with the 6-pound battle jump rope in the middle of the pandemic.
That's crazy.
It was mainly because I just wanted a way to stay in shape while the pandemic was going on and dumbbells were super expensive. Write a comment down below on how you stayed in shape during the pandemic. Honestly, I lightly touched on this in my book, but I was using my apartment gym until they shut it down, so I grabbed a battle jump rope, and I made the pivotal mistake of doing double jumps. It seems natural to do double jumps. It seems like that's what you're supposed to do because the rope's moving so slow. It's mainly because your arms aren't strong enough to just swing it like a regular rope, so you think you should stutter step in order to continue doing this. But this will hurt you in several ways and keep you from doing tricks and keep you from looking fluid with other jump ropes. And as my favorite rapper of all time says,
no, hold it that, so hopefully you won't have to go through that.
So there are 3 major reasons why you should stop double jumping. I have to know. The first one is rhythm. Rhythm matters most. No matter what jump rope you're using, you have to have rhythm in order to use this jump rope. And when you're doing double jumps, you're not doing the natural rhythm that other jump ropes use.
And you know, you should really go for a more natural look.
You're gonna keep stutter stepping, and when you grab another jump rope, you're gonna mess that up. You're not gonna be able to do fast speed rope tricks. And this will hinder you from getting all of the good results from using other ropes. While weighted jump ropes focus on strength and fitness, and they can really force you to use the correct form when you're doing it right, if you're doing double jumps, you're knocking off that rhythm. You're not doing it in the proper way that other jump ropes use. So when you grab another rope, it's gonna mess up your rhythm completely. So you'll either quit using weighted jump rope or never use a regular jump rope and never get the benefits that regular jump ropes can provide you.
That's sad.
While weighted jump ropes can help you out with your coordination, if you're doing it in the wrong way, a la doing double jumps, you can actually mess your coordination up. Weighted jump ropes require less coordination than regular ropes and require even less than speed ropes. If you're doing it right, weighted jump ropes can help your coordination out. I'll tell you more in a future video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. But when you're double jumping, stutter stepping, or whatever you want to call it, this will mess your coordination up. You will feel frustrated and you'll trip a lot when you switch back to a regular rope. And the next problem you can face because you're double jumping is you won't be able to do tricks. Basically, if you don't have rhythm, you don't have coordination, you're not going to be able to do tricks properly.
Well, why do I care about that?
Why is it important? Tricks keep jumping rope fun. After a while of jumping straight up and down over and over and over again, you're gonna wanna switch it up. You're gonna wanna do some high knees. There's so many tricks, I can't name them all. In fact, I'll leave a link down below of 20 jump rope tricks so you can kind of see an example of some of the tricks I'm talking about. None of these tricks require you to do double jumps.
I've never thought about that actually.
And if you're doing that, you're gonna miss out on some benefits that those tricks can have. Another issue with double jumping is it puts more pressure on your joints. Remember, you're doing 2 jumps instead of 1 jump. Now, if you wanna stop double jumping, do the following drill. First thing you wanna do is put the rope down. You don't need a jump rope at this point. Now, you're gonna jump up and down. Just jump. Don't do anything else. You just wanna feel the rhythm. Now do that for a little while. And the next thing you wanna do is tap your sides. When you're up in the air, tap. When you're on the ground, no tap. And you're doing this as slowly as possible just so you can get the rhythm of it. Now, you want to speed it up. Tap, no tap, tap, no tap. And if you do this for 3 to 5 minutes, you'll have it down. You'll be able to introduce a jump rope and you'll be able to do the basics like it's nothing. Now, don't get it twisted, weighted jump ropes are the best way for beginners to learn how to jump. As long as you're not doing double jumps, they will be your best friend as you're on your jump rope journey. But for now, check out this video talking about all the benefits weighted jump ropes have. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, just start. We're about being perfect later. Peace.